The reason why we want to organize our gathering tonight is because this year is our 14th year and next year is actually our 15th-year anniversary. Because I knew as an investor that in this investing journey is actually a very lonely journey, which is why we started our ViA gathering since July 2010. And of all the companies that we have seen outside, in fact, ViA is the only one that has persistently organized this gathering for all of you. So one of the things we can think of is actually to meet you up via our monthly ViA gathering so that we stay in contact. And then not only that, in our gathering, we always teach you new things.
I'm Alice. I'm from ViA 26. ViA gathering is always very interesting. We will always learn new things. Cayden will also share with us like some teaching or some new learnings that he has got, which is very useful throughout my investing journey. And then those learnings from a new book, right, it always will help me to be more careful and also to apply whatever that I learned as a range apart from what I learned from VIP, right? Then this is also become like a second method or third method that I can use to look at the range before I decided to invest in a company.
Hi, my name is Preston. I'm from batch 11. I've been learning investing with ViA for about 12 years already. Been with them for quite some time and it's very good to be in this community. So I joined the ViA gathering because today I am the speaker actually. So as a speaker, I did a presentation of my investment portfolio. I give an update on my portfolio. And of course, I also shared about some of the mistakes I did. I also shared about some of the good strategies that I did. And of course, some of the learning points that I've learned over my 10 to 12 years of investment experience. I think it was a good sharing today. I think the other thing I learned was from Cayden because Cayden actually shared some new company. It's worth to take a look into. Alice, one of the speakers, also shared some good strategies in terms of the investment or some of the criteria. It's an add-on from the standard ViA techniques that we use. So it's quite fruitful and quite good in terms to increase our knowledge in investments.
Very, very good. I'm very impressed that there is a community. The community is something that will help people. Therefore, it's up to me to go and plug myself into the community.
Not only we gather to have some form of emotional support, we also provide technical know-how to make all of you a better investor. So again, I would like to thank all of you for being here.